Hi, this is King of Review. Put n equals k plus 1 into the following series here. So the first term in our series is 1 over 1 times 3. And we're adding this to the second term, which is 1 over 3 times 5. And we're adding that to the third term, which is 1 over 5 times 7. And before we continue on with this, let's look at the first three terms. We see here in the second term we have a 3 for the first number in the denominator. And we have a 1 in the first number of the denominator of term 1. So you can see here, from here to here, we subtract 2. And the same goes for the second number in the denominator here. To get from this 5 to the 3 here, we subtract a 2. So knowing this pattern, let's set up the term that comes before this term here. So we have plus, and then this would be 1 over 2n minus 3 times 2n minus 1, and then we have 1 over 2n minus 1 times 2n plus 1, and this is equal to n over 2n plus 1. So you can see here we got this negative 3 here by subtracting 2 from this negative 1. And we got this negative 1 here by subtracting 2 from this 1 here, which follows the same pattern that we noticed in the first part of this series, which is here. So now we need to substitute a k plus 1 for n. So we'll rewrite our sequence here, 1 over 1 times 3, and this keeps going, and then we finally get to 1 over 2 times n, but instead of n, we're writing k plus 1 minus 3 times 2n minus 1, but instead of an n, we have k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 over 2n minus 1, and instead of the n, we're writing a k plus 1 minus 1 times 2n plus 1 and this is equal to n over 2n plus 1. And again, we substitute the k plus 1 for n. So we have k plus 1 over 2 times k plus 1 plus 1. Now let's simplify these numbers. We have 1 over 1 times 3, and this series continues, and we get 1 over 2k minus 1 times 2k plus 1 plus 1 over 2k plus 1 times 2k plus 3, and this is equal to k plus 1 over 2k plus 3. And this is our final answer. So letter B is correct. Thanks for watching.